All right, guys, I'm so sorry. I lost my connection for some reason. Hopefully you're back with me. I really hope so. I'm so sorry. Please let me know if you join back. I appreciate it. Are you guys back with me? Oops. Okay. Rudy, can you see me now? Okay. All right, guys. I'll give you guys another couple seconds here to join me. I'm so sorry. Sometimes that happens. We had some snow here. Well, not in my area, but around us. I don't think that's affecting us, but you never know. My husband's going, no, of course not, silly. No, we didn't. We had some flurries. Okay. I'm trying to come up with a good excuse. My husband keeps denying that. Okay. Hi, Dee. Thank you for joining me back again. I appreciate it. Hi, Cindy. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Here, let me see if I can. All right. Okay, I'm going to keep going. I'm so sorry, guys, but thank you for joining back in. I appreciate it. So what do you guys think of the project so far? Is it too busy? Or do you like it? I think it's definitely one of those that you're either going to love it or you're going to hate it, to be honest with you. I really like it, but that's just me. Probably because I'm the one doing it, to be honest. But like I was saying earlier, if I don't like it, let's say I let it sit for a day, right? And I sleep on it and I wake up in the morning and I go, you know what? It's just too busy. The cool thing is, you know, as long as I don't spray it with a polyacrylic or a polyurethane, I can remove all of this with just a wet paper towel and a disinfectant wipe. And then I can just put the Bless Our Nest on there and not worry about the background pattern. I don't know. What do you guys think? And I'm wondering, should I go all the way up or should I leave the top part without the pattern? I'm wondering if that was a happy little accident that turns into an artistic decision. I don't know. So many choices. Hi, Donna. Thank you all. Thank you for understanding. Hi, did I say hi, Cindy? Hi, Dee. Everybody. Thank you so much for joining, guys, back in. Okay, so now we are going to pull this up. Oops, I got a little bit, missed a little spot. Okay. All right. So, it is so funny how it's coming through on some of the letters and not the others. It's just so weird. What I probably will do later is I'm going to fix this right-hand spot either with a Q-tip or just redo that section because it is a little bit more splotchy than I like. Splotchy, my artistic word there. All right, so let me close up this one. And I'm going to show you guys. So what do you guys think? Do you like it? Hi, Christy Lynn. Do you have a mixed feeling about it? Donna, you love it. Yeah, it's one of those things that you just, what I will probably do is take a picture of it at the end because I think that will help put it into perspective too. But I completely understand that comment, to be honest with you. I mean, it's not, you know, a standard looking piece of decor, right? It's a little bit out there. That's okay. I'm okay with that. So yeah, I don't know if I'll keep that background or not. I think I want to sit on it, but look at this. This is how easy I can clean up those areas. Actually, I don't even need to take it off and redo it. I can just go around with this Q-tip and clean up any areas that kind of bled a little bit on me because I didn't clean the transfer well enough. And then I just take a paper towel and dab it. I don't rub, I dab it, because if I rub, it will smear on me. Okay, live video interrupted again. Oh my gosh. Hi, Jacqueline. All the way up would be nice. Okay. All right, I will finish that later. I will do it because I don't want you guys to have to sit here and wait for me to do that. But I have this really cute, I have a couple, well actually, you know what, I just have a plain, I have one that has a buffalo plaid, which I was going to use when I had thought about this project with the buffalo plaid. But, let's see if I can reach all the way across my table. But I also have just this plain type of linen ribbon that I'll probably use to just hang up at the top, up here. So hopefully you guys can see that. So yay! Oh, Cindy, thank you. Yes, I agree. And I don't know what keeps going on with my live video. It keeps saying interrupted. And I'm on the Wi-Fi. Can you guys see me? Oh, it says recording. That is so weird. Rudy, is there something going on with the Wi-Fi? All right, guys, hopefully low net. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right. Hopefully you guys didn't lose me completely. I'm sorry. All right, so I'm going to take a picture of this later so that you guys can see it as a project that's completed once I go all the way up. But I agree. It is definitely an unusual piece. Okay, so what I'm doing next is I've got another board here that is a chalk couture board. I know, Dee, I'm sorry. I just fixed my Wi-Fi connection on my phone, so hopefully that fixes it for us. Okay? I'm so sorry. And if you guys can't see the project, just swipe left and that'll get rid of the comments and you guys can kind of see it. Hi, Celia. Okay, so what we're gonna do, let's see here. Let me make sure that my computer is catching up with me. For some reason, my Wi-Fi disconnected, and I think that's what the problem was. So I appreciate you guys hanging with me. Okay. All right. So, oh, Dee. Okay. It has been a long day. I tell you, when you have computer issues, it is amazing how technology will make or break your day sometimes. Okay, so, oops. I am getting the transfers out of my book. Here, I keep all of my transfers in a portfolio, and mine just, oh, all right. Now this one I have not used before. It's the tree branch part of Bless Our Nest. So I am going to put it on my leg here and add a little bit of fuzz to the back of it while I get a couple of other transfers out of here. We have a few mason jars, which I love. I think they're so pretty. And some string and another tree branch. All right, guys, hang with me for a couple seconds while I get these pieces. This is going to be a fun one because it's not going to have any words on it whatsoever. It's literally just going to be a pretty scenery. And okay. All right, so I think I got everything I need. All right, so for this one, we are going to add some tree branches. Oh, I need one more bird. Oh. They have birds in different angles. They have a really big bird, and then a bird sitting sideways, and a bird that looks like he's sitting outside on the tree. Okay, and I am gonna have to get some flowers and stuff, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this tree branch and I'm going to, this is kind of a small board. I'm wondering if I need to go this way since I'm hanging stuff. That's what I'll do. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is have a couple of different pieces, like one and then maybe another one a little farther down. And then I'm gonna have the mason jars hanging from them. And again, this is where I said I don't like things perfect sometimes. I like how it looks like it's gonna come off the board and go in different areas, different directions. I'll get to the flowers once I'll have to find out where all my flowers are. Okay, so this, I'm gonna do this in a bark color, or a brown color, I should say. This is mocha, which will be pretty, I think. What do you guys think? I love the birds. Oh, yeah, you know, it's funny. I have not used this transfer a whole lot, and I don't know why. It's not because I don't like it. I love this transfer, but I just had not, you know, thought of many ways to use it. And I came across kind of an inspiration piece that I love using the flowers. I use the flowers all the time, and so it incorporated the flowers and this transfer, and I just fell in love. I was like, okay, yep, that's what I'm doing. All right, so I'm going to take this mocha and go right across these tree branches. And again, I did not need to pre-wax this board because it was a chalk couture surface. Purchased from Chalk Couture. So no need to pre-wax. And I'm just pulling off all that excess, putting it right back in the container. OMG, look at that. Love it. Oh my gosh. Okay. So then what I might do is just do a piece like coming down, and I'm just gonna go, I don't know, I have another little branch here. Okay, I'm gonna put that one in the water because I don't think I'm gonna use that one again. This one, if I could get it to not stick on itself. If that ever happens to you guys and you take your transfer out and it sticks on itself, you can run it under cool water or very lukewarm water. And should I do this? And get it unstuck. That's not a problem. Actually, I'm just going to do this. And then maybe I'll have another one coming from the other side to help fill in that gap a little bit. And I'm just holding this up because I don't want it to lay down on the part I just did because it's still wet. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so pretty. And I'm going to do one right here because I just kind of want it to look like a forest of different branches and stuff. Okay. And they're going to overlap a little bit, and I'm okay with that. Because to me, that's